Hi everyone. Welcome to Level Up Dividends channel. Nothing is better than seeing the stocks I invested in increase their dividends. And the higher the increase range is, the better. Increasing the dividend payments is a green light reassuring the investors and telling them to sleep well at night while buying shares. Today, I'm featuring 7 stocks that just increased their dividend by double digits. You'll see, most of these stocks have outstanding records. I'm not a financial advisor, I don't stop saying it. But if you would like to invest and don't know which stocks to buy, you should watch this video. It will help a lot. Let's get into it. Stock 1, H&R Block. Dividend yield, 2.82%. Dividend safety, 57. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 20 years. The most recent dividend increase was 10%, that was in August 2023. Dividend growth streak, 25 years. H&R Block has a PE ratio lower than its peers. Even if the current stock price isn't low enough to invest in, I think you can still make a good call if you buy it for the long term. Stock 2, MPLX. Dividend yield, 9.20%. Dividend safety, 41. Dividend growth, 33% per year in the last 10 years. This is one of the best dividend growth rate I've ever seen. The most recent dividend increase was 10% in October 2023. Dividend growth streak, 10 years. Analysts estimate a 9% upside potential for the stock with 5 analysts rating it as a buy. My third stock of the list is Arbor Realty Trust. Dividend yield, 12.13%. Dividend safety, 50. Dividend growth, 15% per year in the last 10 years. The most recent dividend increase was 11% in the last year. Dividend growth streak, 10 years. Analysts estimate a 7.7% upside potential for the stock. I don't like much that it isn't widely covered. We're not talking about Microsoft. Still, the stock is worth having a closer look at. Anyways, Arbor Realty combines a good yield with a good dividend growth potential. It is worth having in a portfolio. Stock 4, Archer Daniels Midland. Dividend yield, 2.63%. Dividend safety, 94. Dividend growth, 11% per year in the last 20 years. The most recent dividend increase was 13% in January 2023. The company has increased its dividends for 92 years. Guys, I'm talking about increasing the dividend, not even just paying it. Outstanding record. If you don't like the stock yet, please have a look at its price appreciation potential. We're talking about 30% here. I'm definitely thinking of adding this stock to my portfolio. Stock 5, Broadcom. I know I just featured this stock recently. However, I can't go without mentioning it again and again. Dividend yield, 1.84%. Dividend safety, 67. Dividend growth, 36% per year in the last 10 years. The most recent dividend increase came by just recently in December 2023. It was a whopping 14%. Dividend growth streak, 13 years. I can't say this is the best time to buy Broadcom. In fact, it looks at its intrinsic value right now. What I like mostly is the number of analysts rating it as a buy. I myself own Broadcom and it is my main position. I'm waiting for a correction to add up some shares. Stock 6, Canadian Natural. Dividend yield, 4.59%. Dividend safety, 70. Dividend growth, 22% per year in the last 20 years. One of the best records I know. The most recent dividend increase was 11% in November 2023. Dividend growth streak, 21 years. According to analysts, there is a 13% upside potential for the stock price. Canadian Natural is a good stock to own. Stock 7, Simon Property Group. Dividend yield, 5.38%. Dividend safety, 50. Dividend growth, 6% per year in the last 20 years. The most recent dividend increase was 18% in the last year. Dividend growth streak, 1 year. Not much to say about the stock's current valuation. Most analysts recommend to hold this stock. It's better to wait for a good entry point. It doesn't seem to be right now. This is it. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. Don't forget to make your own due diligence before investing. Please push the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.